channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a job in Midjourney. So to cancel a job in Midjourney, follow this step. So the first thing you have to do is to locate the job in Discord. So find the Midjourney board message in Discord that corresponds to the job you want to cancel. Then react with the cancel emoji, which is on the screen. Then add the emoji as a reaction to the bot message. Then this will stop the email. This will stop the job if it's still in progress, and use the cancel job option. So if the emoji doesn't work, click on the three dot icon next to the bot message. Then hover up, then select cancel job from the option. Then check for the stop job. So if the job is stuck or doesn't cancel, you can contact the Midjourney support team in their Discord server for assistance. And that's a simple guide on how to cancel a job in Midjourney. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.